Glenn. Okay, so here's your long shot of the subject's working environment, golf club. Here's your still life. Here is your shot that establishes your subject's vocation. And then here is your portrait. It's fine. I mean, these are good. I think that you probably, just based on your contact sheets of the golf course, I think that you could have gotten a better long shot from what I'm seeing here. I think that you could have gotten a much more interesting, a dynamic long shot of the golf course, because we didn't necessarily need to see the clubhouse, right? We just need to see the golf course, or maybe just the shop. The shop even is a more interesting building than this. Then this is a really beautiful still life. It's lovely. The lighting in here is just fantastic. Effective environmental portrait. This kind of is very snapshotty and straight on. Like, even turning the camera up portrait orientation would have been helpful. What I'm missing here are any of your lighting shots where you show us how you set up your lights for any of these shots. We need to see that. It looks like you just didn't use any lights. And if that's that's fine if that's the case, but just let us know. There's no write-up, so I don't know what your lighting experience was. I know I didn't insist that there be a write-up in the instructions. However, this is the 5th week of class, so I figured everybody knew that you just gotta have a write-up. So there's my feedback for you. This is pretty snapshotty. A little originality would have gone a long way here. Changing your camera angle, changing the orientation of your camera. This is a very effective image. This is a very effective image. This, though, we get the sense of where the guy works is fine. However, the composition and perhaps the angle are not very interesting. I think that, having spent my entire college career paying my way through school as a greenskeeper, I know that there's lots of interesting ways to take photographs of golf courses, even if they're flat. So maybe I'm a harsh critic on that range. All right, but I do think these are pretty good. And then also what I'm looking for is an opening, which we have. A transition. I'm not really sure about the order of these, which ones would have been an effective transition. Like, maybe if this was our next image, and then this would be a transition, and then this would be our close, I would like you to think about that. I mean, it's hypothetical, or not hypothetical, rhetorical at this point, but I am always looking to see if people ordered their photo stories in a way where we've got a clean opening, good transition, and a clean close. And I'm not really seeing that order here. So I'm just wondering if you thought about it. Okay, thank you, Glenn. It's important because it's important to your viewer how these images are read. So the order of the images is really important, and these seem a bit out of order to me. That's what I meant to say. I'm just wondering what you think. Okay, thank you.